am Edi Abali today. Edi Abali is an Igbo man. He's from Obom in Abang. He's from Obom in Abang. From there, his family went to Obosi in Anambra State. Before they came to New Calabar, he's an Igbo man. I am Edi Abali. So when somebody says Igbo, no, I am. Yes, the name I answered today, the stool on which I sit today, which was created as one of the first working houses to be created. In fact, among the first 5 to be created in Calabar land. Edi Abali became the richest man of his time. He's an Igbo man, 100%. And he never denied being an Igbo man. So I, his worthy descendant, will not deny. I have my disagreement with Igbo, but I cannot. So also is bricks. So also is asphalt. Young bricks, asphalt. Edi Abali. My father, Wananako. These are all Igbo men. Uzoma, Elebike, Elebuke, Odikadibia, David Wells, Elebuke Wells. These are all Igbos. Let nobody come and be denying that, hey, we are not Igbos, we are not this, we are not that. It's a lie. These people are Igbos. They're Igbos. So slave trade brought enormous wealth, and it also brought some sort of destabilization. It destabilized the society because some people brought with them so many things. The population of the Ijaw people in Calabar and in Bonny was overwhelmed by inflow of Igbo and Ibibio influence. But more of Igbo. Why Calabar was able to totally assimilate all others who came in contact with them, Bonny was not able to do so. Okrika was not able to do so. That's why you go to Ganama or Akaliama, these places, they are speaking Igbos. But in Calabar, no Calabar community speaks Igbo. In fact, even people they brought from Igbo yesterday, after today, they find it difficult to speak Igbo. So, like I said, I am historical correction officer. We have to tell our children our history, true, and leave this falsehood. Tell our history. We should not be ashamed of who we are. We should not be ashamed of who we are. It's not because somebody is making claim we are going to deny because a man is making claim. Whether Igbo people make claim or not, that's their bloody business. That will not stop us from saying that this is what we are, who we are. And we stand up to who we are. We keep record of who we are. We tell the world who we are. We stand so that from that we can draw our strength. We can become who we really are. Today everybody is fabricating. Everybody is doing this. Why the fabrication?
Anybody that is selling this thing to Asari Dokubo should immediately stop, because this thing is not good for Asari Dokubo. You don't hear am? Asari Dokubo na Igbo man o, and na the same Igbo man na dey come outside come dey castigating people for social media. Asari Dokubo, na so e be. My wonderful people, please do not forget to share this video and also make sure say you follow this channel for more updates as e dey happen o. Asari Dokubo cannot stop amazing me. 70 years old man